Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.2573 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 5.32%, and I'm recording this video at a time when we are seeing a very nice breakout to the upper side, and I'll be getting into that before this at the end of this video. And I want to kickstart my analysis by giving a brief of what has been happening on the Fantom chart, and I'll be basing my analysis on the EBOOK structures, the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. Also give you the long-term and the short-term scenarios that I expect to play out. And here on the daily chart, you can see from these low prices that Fantom had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, which is an impulsive movement, taking us to an all-time high at around the $3.5 mark. And that movement to the upper side on the daily chart, I'm terming it as a higher Elliot wave count one to the upper side. Then after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing these lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now taken us back to around the $0.16 mark in a movement that I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 2. Then I'm expecting a very nice movement to the upper side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5, and getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this Elliot wave structure so that it can also give us the short-term and the long-term scenarios that we expect to play out. After seeing the all-time high, if I give you a measure from the all-time high, you can see that Fantom is down more than 90%, and that means there are chances that we might have seen the bear market low, and very soon I'm expecting a very nice reversal to the upper side in this impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and very soon I'm expecting that a reversal to the upper side, because having seen a corrective movement of more than 90%, that means the bear market low might be in, and giving you a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upper side at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $5.79 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect Fantom once we see the reversal to the upper side in this impulsive movement to the upper side in the next bull market. That is the minimum that I would expect Fantom to do. And getting to the 1 hour chart, because that is where things are getting a little bit interesting, and that's where we are also seeing a breakout to the upper side. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see after making our low down here at around the $0.016 mark, we have been seeing a very nice bounce to the upper side, and that happened after managing to break out of this channel that we had been trading over here. And in that movement to the upper side, I'm terming it as an Elliot wave structure to the upper side, where we have been seeing these impulsive movements, having these as the wave 1 to the upper side. Then we saw a bit of a corrective structure over here in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2. Then I'm expecting a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of a wave 5. And once we complete the formation of that wave 5, that will be completing the formation of a high Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this Elliot wave structure, after seeing our low for that second wave, we have been seeing this impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of a wave 3, and right now we are seeing a very nice breakout here on the Fantom chart, and we have made the high, we have made a new high above the high that we had made yesterday at around the $0.25 mark, and there are chances that we might continue pushing even higher, given that here on the 1 hour chart we are trading above the 20-day MA. That means it's acting as support at the moment. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are just at the 72 mark, meaning we are just about to fully get into the overbought region, and that would mean maybe soon we might expect lower prices as we try to have some room on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that means higher prices are coming our way. So any movements to the upper side here on the Fantom chart are supported on the RSI and also on the MACD. And getting back to the technical scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, I had sketched out a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That was giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.0261 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized at the fib level 1.618, and at the moment we are trading at the fib level 2.618, and there are chances that that is where we might make our wave 3 high. And in case that plays out, then this will be an extended wave 3 to the upper side of this Elliot wave structure. Then we can expect a bit of a pullback over here in the formation of a wave 4 before we continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And there are chances that we might be seeing that recovery here on the Fantom chart, having made our low at around the $0.16 mark, and there are chances that we might see that recovery to the upper side. So that's the update for Fantom, and I'll keep you updated on any movements that plays out here on the Fantom chart.